is a subscription service that really allows marketers and researchers to gain an in-depth understanding and significant insight into the lives of youth and family today. It's about information that is timely and gathered with real integrity, that lets them understand all the different topics that are affecting the way families and kids live. And finally, it gives them implications and a point of view on how this data can really help affect their businesses or their organizations or their brands. CNR has had a really long history of talking to kids and teens in their custom research practice and had developed some really great tools to help them gather that information, including the Kids Eyes panel and the Teens Eyes panel.
We developed Kids Eyes to give our clients ready access to kids' opinions.
YouthBeat was really designed with the everyday lives and needs of researchers in mind. All the YouthBeat data is available in an online portal that clients can access whenever they want, and even allows them to cut the data in ways that are most useful to them. We have a quantitative survey that fields every month out of the year, which we think is really important. It really ensures that we're not getting a biased perspective.
We're actually surveying up to 8,000 kids every month throughout the year. All of the surveys are conducted through our Kids Eyes and Teens Eyes panel.
We don't just talk to youth, but importantly, we capture the point of view of their parents and their families, and that's really an acknowledgement that for any youth product today, parents matter. We know that by collecting all year round, we make sure that we're getting a really clear picture of what's going on related to a specific topic for the full extent of the year.
So the quantitative component of YouthBeat is the part where we contact a custom panel of kids, teens, and tweens all across the country that we've culled from our Kids Eyes and Teens Eyes panel just to support YouthBeat. The first thing that they're doing are these video documentaries of their lives. We're sending all of the kids flip journal cameras so they can make digital videos in their own homes and tell us what's going on with their lives, what are they doing with their friends, what's on their minds. And then we're going to have each of these kids also create a time capsule for us across the year. Every few weeks, they'll put in photographs of what they're doing at school and their sports activities, pictures of them with their friends, and we'll be able to look over the course of the year and see how does their attention shift topic to topic and what's going on in each of these kids' homes.
YouthBeat is really a comprehensive service in every way. So first and foremost, you get data through our custom portal. We also provide analysis that comes in the forms of what we call currents, which are discussions and descriptions and critical data related to each of the 12 different topics that we cover in the YouthBeat survey. We really bring it all together with what we call our yearbook, and our yearbook is really intended to be an overview of the year in youth and families. And along with all of that, you get ongoing consulting from the YouthBeat team, who is eager to help answer questions that you might have or provide a point of view on an issue that's been raised by your team. We provide a broad scope of information and data. We collect it with integrity, and we cover kids, tweens, and teens and their parents. You're not just getting information, but you're getting insight and implications from people who've been living and walking in the same shoes that you are.
We've been talking to kids and teens for years with our Kids Eyes and Teens Eyes panels. Now, we're leveraging our panels with YouthBeat to bring our clients an unprecedented amount of insight and information about the U.S. youth market.
To find out more about YouthBeat and to check out our blog, go to youthbeat.com.
Cool.